amemmu yi enko obi start so obu amemmu a nanka nipa kro no ubon se casualties bi ab
Ebushemfo, hi Ghana Asem TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime video we say we upload us have a Ebushemfo and then you do me light and fan me meet me using microphone me and quick one. Kwabena mafo a oya juma wo despite media. Aden I say asem no kra ko car obi abomu pa na say despite media. I mean most of them because the Jakwabna on so be ni die sa na ko for the man sa na on so free so call say the your name be akwa ko tekra o ko tekra na Kwabena mafo eka galamse hu sensem e wo NIT FM ne e na o ka say MPP 4 aye galamse 8 years and ye fa asem free o eti ye ni right say maybe say we can say in declare state of emergency and say NDC fonja galamse no na say wo man bi mu a journalist go from anka from journalist say ko bakra say omu ye reporters mpo a omu dwini say a any we have a big problem, a very big problem. Essence media is known as the fourth arm of government. Anka say judiciary no nkoyi, executive no so nkoyi, and legislature too so nkoyi. We would rely on the media. As for media there, ombe impartial, ombe kanu krea chire to me. Na say unya media for my bias say one e ka say 8 years no MPP na ye wa power no MPP for na omu ye galamse say MPP for na omu ye galamse a adentina 10 months ni ajomama abe president adena wan chi MPP for omu ye galamse 10 months ni nipa ba kukura ni wa jomama aban edina kokot say wo ye galamse asa wo ye illegal money nipa ba ku say ni ho mo chiche ma wontimi no pesi enne mo ni charge bia mo di etia chiche ma wontimi enti se unya obi ti say sa papa o ye Kwabena mafo ye dwuma wo despite media a o pese galamse asem na se yensi onyina say yensi oni nko se dwane ye di mpo se yenye safe gari se gari yenye safe ye nyina ye dwen wu asoman say e be ni sen a afere o some person be ye politics be painting MPP black there and was saying say scabbing na makoko ji say mbeye MPP unpopular there and the muntu madrim because ye mamu kwa mo ye that kind of petty and lazy journalism ade na mu so muti ya mu share that channels abrochire and say even South Africa the kind of journalism that is done mu share de bia class 1 because assembly say ya na afiaso say my critical crown mu journalists for say mu keep politicians on their toe mu ma she mu kena aden
CCA His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and what say galamse to kwano obe declare the state of emergency and no a National Security Council for and this self-to no beba CCA wakono National Security for gusu a womo and woman you woman ho pa so far so good enti baby a woman keka krone de ti se bia efutuo everyone mo ba ansa na bia wo bibia we declare aside that no opeso o kama Ghana fo nyina te se wono His Excellency John Dramani Mahama John Onumenyi galamse no nyamfa so bia mfiri mu se yenkofo agene se jama wo ye galamse ni bia wo kama mate se efe no wokoye korikori wonyasi emfiri mu ena wonye wo bia wode ne ho esa galamse mu aside that no wasan ede galamse fight no 5 pillars strategy bi diaba se kwan ya obefa so a wode bekuatia galamse no enie enti ya 5 pillar strategy en wode be ena kosie wonwa so a bia amemmu yi enko obi start so obu amemmu a nanka nipa kro no ubon se casualties bi aba na we tamanti nie yante se bimpa enko obi aye sei na nki eja galamsey ne yakwa akoka mfumsuo bia maaye
bibia ma sa ana
bibia ma ntina sisi a galamsey pe na akai
yo
galamsey pe na akai galamsey yi nso ye ka MPP fo ya wo ma yiri wo mu ana galamsey yi si edia pepa nka tetede na pa abofo kan mo galamsey mu ntakrate galamsey mu ahemfo galamsey mu kimpins mo de enfia nwote edi aya galamsey ase kwaye ne nsase ne nsuo nyina ebe katre obi se onfa abosome nwote mfantu ase mo matibida mudi mfie nwote mutu galamsey ya efie na mutu enkofo jade mutu empanimfo mfitire nyina mutu galamsey kwan mu nyina na mutu galamsey ensuo mu muni nyam adwene mposa mo be fight mutu galamsey tu mfie nwote katre obi se wonfa abosome nwote mfantu galamsey ase wahu maya ade ogusu otu ase yes $300 million yo right international amusement park
you know a catch will say before the vice president baby say president no assigned to him
he had to sign the project
assigned to him say me na me ma
project he can implement say we say what dam no kran and cap policies ho but obetini implement it but or implement here when the president arrives back, he can the president can say I did not approve this project and therefore it's not going to happen. And then another person
because the president, when he's leaving the country,
lady, let me tell you something. Maybe Maestro, Muma, you see, Asama Ubisan, are you very clear? You know, a colleague be a was here, Utie, Ebetiasie. Me boss, me di metie jaw. Ube won yensen na to do everything.
Yes.
But if
I do not approve it, if I don't sign it offer,
so why do you
Oba, he can say, I didn't approve it and therefore I cancel this project. Which the president has the authority to cancel president and vice president projects.
Lady, let me give you one example. E-levy a buyer. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia
argued against it.
In cabinet meetings, he argued, said, no, we shouldn't tax mobile money interoperability because the person be using it as a bank account. What I say? Emra Nanado Danko Kufuado, and then the finance minister, finance minister say, you bet me we ho na yakwakucha rotomu. I think the vice president need to be here.
He doesn't have the power.
He doesn't have the power.
And here, me argue say with the MP, the MP has the power to force road minister. I understand, but I think Matthias here or the why too much because the answer was clear. The MP has the power to force.
But he is doing campaign.
He's doing campaign.
Or we're still with time. No, Wama, we're here for.
Ken, who was here? Just come.
Nanake, remember.
Okay, Maestro, for 5 minutes, young.
No, I will not tell you, Bibu Hade. Ken 2028 will be in sin. May invite you 2 times. One back or now no sin home. Oh, ye, or into more beyond function. I do be a sin with her. Or beyond drop Ken 2028. Nankasan or shall diabolic on 2. The wage nano. Lady, my main yet mad because there you be a Kabibu Hade. Yaman no Quanamo on Kabi, Adamadi, I repeat another one, the last time I repeat it. Lady, do you remember Hacktail? Do you remember that?
Yes.
What is Hacktail? About Hacktail, Abba no some no bear Ghana. How and Kofu bread what the Hacktail best about me conde, a Hacktail about me, dear. Do you remember that? MPP yeah when you need the margin fee Dr. Bawumia ya kwato abewie ya nsa na wabetena TV do wona what can they against what said that kind no wa fu aba baka the hack ten kwampo na Bawumia dia do you see where let me interrupt again. Somebody will not understand. Do you remember 58 million? Oh. What can ya motonko for a trim? And I can separate the bank and power more. What's the Janon Canasimo? We are Jamon Canasimo. What we are no. Now was spread up for MPP food now. And then you know, I be said that I didn't want to about and from a Dr. Baumia. What's a 58 million who a hectare? Lady, that is the reason why Intiana may interrupt him there. He's not coming to insult our intelligence because some Kofuna say a blink. Lady, Kedamadi, be strong on that. Say a blink, you made the same mistakes. Yeah. The last election, Yama Hacktail and the 58 million cathedral in a day. Lies. And the Nina boy vindications. Vindication, you can see, and then vindications only make a collusive portal. Meanwhile, the Senate and the radio did not give MPP any opportunity to debunk what's someone. But yet, them propaganda, I don't can lay our hadeno. I know, and I can't lay no. And sometimes, no, you been yet next year. We know what happened last year. And to see by my working there, we want to destroy another day. But he's doing propaganda, which is not going to help us. Can also a MPP. What is the problem? Also, your MPP, you say MPP for it is a yellow church Adima. Why do you want to do propaganda about a simple and plain? Why do you want to do that? The base and the question that I was looking at the time, almost 30 minutes. Okasa anytime was say a bit and question no about no day. It's time for time we come home and in a day not the wine. Please, we shouldn't supposed to do that. We can't allow this to happen again because you know about Ghana no of fast maybe 20 team are not the call. That's it. Sometimes all your dinner you will bring that person back. We have to be strong about this because I don't understand the AMP before and we are doing this to ourselves. What is all this? Menenekeke or a sample. Akufado, Eroko way to Kwan. I don't know your president. So naturally, ja. I said, this is the table. This is a nyama. Over there, yeah. Akufado ntumun solana. No on Jenny Dex there. But that's no how. I don't for Bibian French. The vice president there. The Benjamin Madame on a shechi. Ile man abu from Pobo Nim the Madi. Abu friend in the Monday, and I can say 100 day obi wasaha. My men can show MPs. What power, eh? What power? Even po is sometimes the president. Do you know why? Say essay when you are dinner a lobby because okay constitution you lobby and the yako as a pede lobby na the bibi ko constituency. When they bring a certain my friend there. What the bill be back parliament. Oh, yeah, you had let's say a pede bibi koya. You can vote it down. Let it change the OC. Britain, US, change the OC. America, Habram Moshe. You can see Democrat president or the bill back house. But Democrats will vote against, so they have to go back and go. And caucus with people. Abedne here. They were too much. You want to wonder once so proud of the bone constituency. What I say, and son, what I quokka, they will vote for. Anybody will vote against. Democrats do it, Republicans do it. That is the same thing. Or yet the same thing not happen with Ghana. And it's a WMP catch now. That's a WMP back catch there. I know on you two there. Or the road baba and no constituency. Or buwa. Wada. Only molly. And one or ten, or you're representing, he is representing you, he or she is representing the constituency. It's your banny baby or baby or feeder. In your baby, he or she can vote against. I MPP on this, I covered the time here, or they now, ye authority control of parliament. And you think that Baumia can just get up now to quality or bear was a sobo 100 there, or from go another, one conquer your street light, if from go on ye, a beam no akadawaka or the who does that? Him for Abu Kodo, no way who there, vice president, the president here to come, and more also the bill for on the parliament, or president and there's who would you him for not to the massamano. Hey, Ewasaha, may catch you. Whether you are an MPP, you are NDC, you are whatever. So what parliamentarian or tnaho no went to one fashi and famboa. Obi catch your dog on yakona. Obi nkade dem lady kasembi Onyano no oka for Sophie another or find them pick us so that boko no meko to road no de be go. One power na owo the voting power na owo no ho no ano no the lobby no the bibi on the ba wo constituency it is a wo parliamentarian na ho na so ntumi nya hwe a ano no nya hwe because I don't know what delinquent to say why then ne power relinquish ne power otsena ho nya hwe wo kwan wo de won sa wo de su na abodwene wo tsena ho they don't even talk, so they have even the power. And so be catch there because a constituency no anka one show the boafo specific there parliamentarian is supposed to do road inti onyiminti. That is that you are playing on our intelligence them yenyim nyansa, because that is what Ken was doing there. One cow ho and what's there I could say read that no one cow ho there on conquer your road. Well, can you imagine and you can ho kwa then aw yenko yetena hoy how many imbra wala e Ghana from what's hono imbra hin krampo no nankasa no youth na de Ghana intimemu no imbra na ordwene wo ho a morodwene ho nye bibi obaba light baba no constituency insu baba no constituency dama galamsey lulu kunkofo inka ne parliamentary onye bibi no won fon ko parliament no won yimfuo ano na ordwene ho nti ho na wo parliamentarian no e wo power dey ekwebo vote for or against let too many bibi papa eziaba. It's my more beyond that doubt. Say once I have my more beyond that doubt. Can they not be any diabolism in Cotina or ye? Now, so much young for young people for can be a ship, young people for. Why are we doing this to ourselves? This is my question. This is what I don't get. Why are we doing this to ourselves? In Kadamadi, we in call you very nice addition. Are you able to me? Whether you this young people, you come ye home. There, a young people, let's say young people, you have the power to lobby, never be before our constituency. A young this lobby, never be before our constituency. Now, you know, ever catch no one be and Bobo Yason, not done you stand still. In Kayana, may home. Into why? And then a quick jackade about Yanu Kung Fu when you're born, what do you friend in Sue? Nti abense wan kwanka yensu enfamon ne so na yahwe hin na so kade kan Japan aka 23 years 24 years no anu road wentuma ya wetu kola pay diabolism wa hade mo pocho wo me yambo ye no ho ne nya MPP fo aha ndisi bi anye ha ye ba na ye kasa ye nya MPP fo. We shouldn't do this to ourselves, please. Ken baby a please anu tan na mempa de ye ba ye dam nyama wa hade, because this nyama is just draining us. It's too draining, because if you can because of internal politics, you know, it's always baumia, so cobia, that's the bia, but trace baumiando, or I never can wabomusu. I better cry about pay on ye. It's more yama, NDC. One problem, what can we be there? Say, there is no way at MPP. What about baumia conwa babe, what be dealing as another, what be dealing a flag bearer near push waka president. It's more yama, the madia bema. Nyaminti ombem da I can afford yenye yijim ba wo mia owi ye ba pushing mo aba be president I can feel yijim da yenye yijim da oya wona yin so anche ba push na kwa kekegine ho party no oye yenyina yenze o yenyina yijim ba wo mia no ba be president wona wan wona adwene what the diabolism what be ya there in some your phone bia no what kwa kafa ba mia no we taking it down. It's not going to happen. Ba mia epia onko 2028 no lose, we will still push him, we will still bring him. Now maybe when I wire the man, they will never even live to see the presidency of Baumia, but the man at all.